If you don't know what to do with those stale loaves of bread that you have on your kitchen counter, make some bread croutons. It's really easy to make. Loaves of bread, in particular this one, and since it doesn't have any preservatives, it stales very quickly. And then the other thing that you can make with this is some breadcrumbs. If you're gonna cut any bread, like French bread, the best way is to use a serrated knife. Cuts really easy. You can use a chef's knife. However, it won't cut as smoothly. So you wanna grab your loaf and cut it in half so it's easier to cut on the table. Cut them into strips. Now remember, this bread is round, so all the pieces of bread that you're gonna cut for croutons are not gonna be exactly the same size, and that's okay. Once you're cut, you're gonna put them on a sheet pan. You're gonna put about a quarter cup of olive oil. This is the time where you add your salt, your black pepper. You can even add some garlic powder for flavor. Make sure that it's distributed evenly. This oven, I know that 375, and it might take 15 minutes. It might take 20 minutes in your oven. You just have to watch it. The great thing about the croutons is you can put it in on top of salads, like in this case, this salad where the vinaigrette will get soaked into the croutons really nicely. You can put it on top of soups. There's a lot of applications that you can use it on. So hopefully this will inspire you to make croutons of your old stale bread. The more you know.